In today's video, we're comparing Shopify and WooCommerce to help you decide which platform is best for your online store. I'll walk you through ease of use, cost, customization, performance, and which one is best for beginners. Let's start with Shopify. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform. That means hosting, security, and updates are handled for you. You sign up, pick a theme, add products, and your store is ready to sell. The interface is clean and beginner friendly. The dashboard puts orders, products, and analytics in one place, so you don't have to jump between tools. Shopify also includes built-in payment options, automated SSL, and 24/7 support. If you want a fast, low-stress setup with minimal technical work, Shopify makes that really easy. And by the way, if you'd like to try Shopify yourself, you can get a 3-day free trial and 3 months for just $1 per month using the special link in the description or the pinned comment. Now, WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free plugin for WordPress that turns a WordPress site into a full store. It's open source, which gives you complete control over every detail of your site. You choose the hosting, the theme, the plugins, and you manage updates and security. That means more flexibility and more customization options, but also more responsibility. You'll need a domain, hosting, and an SSL certificate. You'll install WordPress, add WooCommerce, and pick the plugins that add features like subscriptions, bookings, or advanced shipping rules. If you like tinkering and want full control over how your store looks and behaves, WooCommerce is excellent. Next, ease of use. Shopify wins for simplicity. The setup flow walks you through everything, and most features work out of the box. Adding products, setting up payments, and launching a store is straightforward. No coding is required for most changes. WooCommerce requires more steps: hosting setup, WordPress installation, choosing and configuring plugins, and managing updates. For non-technical beginners, WooCommerce can be overwhelming at first. But once you learn WordPress, WooCommerce becomes a powerful and flexible system. Let's talk pricing. Shopify uses a monthly subscription model that includes hosting and security. Plans start at an affordable level and increase with more features and staff accounts. Shopify may charge transaction fees unless you use Shopify payments. There are also costs for premium themes and apps. WooCommerce itself is free, but you must pay for hosting, domain registration, premium themes, and plugins. Hosting can be inexpensive or more premium depending on your performance needs. Over time, WooCommerce can be cheaper, but costs vary widely based on choices you make. Customization and flexibility are where WooCommerce shines. Because it runs on WordPress, there are thousands of themes and plugins to extend functionality. You can edit templates, add custom code, or hire a developer for unique features. Shopify is more limited by design. It offers apps and customizable themes, but the platform controls core functionality and access to server-level changes. For most store owners, Shopify's customization is enough. But if you need advanced or highly unique features, WooCommerce gives you freedom. Performance and security are important too. Shopify manages performance and security for you. Stores are hosted on Shopify's infrastructure, which is optimized for e-commerce. That reduces the risk of downtime and security issues. With WooCommerce, performance depends on your hosting provider and how well you configure caching and optimization. Good hosting can match Shopify, but you must manage backups, updates, and security plugins yourself. Support and community differ as well. Shopify provides dedicated support and an extensive help center. WooCommerce has a large community, forums, and many developers, but support is more distributed. You may need to rely on host support, plugin developers, or independent experts when issues arise. So which should you choose? If you're a beginner who wants a fast, reliable, and low maintenance solution, choose Shopify. It's simpler to launch and keeps most technical details out of your hands. If you want full control, unlimited customization, and potentially lower long-term costs, and you don't mind handling hosting and maintenance, choose WooCommerce. And again, if you'd like to start your Shopify store today, use the link in the description or pinned comment